Guys, also, I'm sorry, guys. It really sucks. Like, I can feel it trapped. Oh. Yeah. Okay, the burp is out, I think. I can still feel a little one, but it's okay. It was like the most random thing. Derp! Yeah, that's actually really true. Who would I like? Jesus. I'm gonna have to put this away for now because nothing is working. Obliterated. Oh. Oh, sorry. Castrated. An exam. Sorry. Whoa. Okay, sorry. This, you see my into Jack's belly button was my. Woo. That's just me. You want me to produce? Damn, Daniela. I'm saying. Oh, ew. Sorry. Choked and. Sometimes 6. It really depends.